Hi, good evening. My name is Pakhi Garg and I again welcome you to the day 2 of my 30 Days 30 Concepts series. Today, I am going to talk about the electronic discovery or the e-discovery. We'll explore what does it means, why is it crucial in today's legal landscape, and the challenges it presents for the legal and the technology professionals. So, let's get started with its meaning. E-discovery is actually like a treasure hunt. Instead of finding gold, you have to actually dig out some of the relevant information buried within the massive amount of electronic data. Yes, you heard it right. Understanding the e-discovery process is now a must-have skill set for any legal professional, and it heavily relies on the technology because we are actually technology-driven people. Now, let's have a closer look at its process. So, its process is divided into four simple parts. Number one is preservation. So, duty to protect any kind of a potential evidence once litigation is anticipated. That is covered under the preservation part. Then comes the data collection or the collection. Gathering electronic sensitive information from computers, servers, computer storage, phones, tablets, mobiles, etc. Processing and review. So basically, specialized software to research, categorize, or analyze the data. Number fourth, production. Basically, exchanging relevant ESI, electronic sensitive information between parties within ratifications if required. E-discovery is a multi-level process. Each stage has a specific rules and technological tools. Failure to follow these rules correctly can lead to sanctions or even the loss of a case, which is quite important for everybody to have a check on. Now let's have a look to what does it actually looks for law students. So e-discovery is where the law meets the technology. Lawyers need to understand the basics and when to rely on experts. Early planning and understanding of e-discovery can mean the difference between winning and losing a case. It also has equal opportunities for the tech students. Tech students can definitely create the tools lawyers rely on. Designing software with the legal process in mind is quite vital. E-discovery is finding about the needle in the digital haystack in tech innovation drives how we are going to do that. Well, e-discovery is absolutely not a perfect game. Lawyers and tech professionals both needs to be adaptable to ensure fairness and efficiency. It's an area of ongoing legal debate and technological innovation. E-discovery is actually vital for the legal system in the digital age. Success means lawyer understands technology and tech experts understands the law. So let's work together to ensure the information age promotes the fairness and the rule of the law. So that's all from my end for today's session. Thank you very much for joining the day 2. Don't forget to like, follow and share for more such amazing content. Thank you and bye-bye.